What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a really cool piece of tech art. Now, did you or maybe somebody you know have a Game Boy back when you were younger, or maybe an old iPhone such as the very first iPhone that ever came out, or did you ever want one of the first iPhones that ever came out? Well, with this you can. It's super cool. This is made by Xreart. This is an exploded view of an iPhone 4. That's pretty much what this company does. They take old tech and they repurpose it, they disassemble it, and then they put it on display as a beautiful art piece. Now, they don't just have iPhones, they have a couple other items there. They have Game Boys, they have an old Nokia phone. They also have a DIY option in case you want to do your own exploded view of a phone that you already own, which is really cool. And I also want to thank them for sending this out to me so I can do this review for you guys today. I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And there's also a 10% off coupon. If you use it when you're checking out, it's High Tech Check. It'll save you 10% off of your purchase. Now, I remember back in the day, I did have a Game Boy. I also had an iPhone 3GS, which was my very first iPhone. And I also had the iPhone 4, which this is as well. So it brings back a lot of nostalgia when you see it. And I think it's really cool because how often do you see a phone that is totally disassembled laid out as a piece of art like this? Now, I can also guarantee that if you're looking for a gift idea for somebody that you know that loves tech, I can pretty much guarantee that they don't have anything like this, so this is also a great gift idea. Now, this does come in a nice wooden frame, and it has a plexiglass front that you can disassemble if you really need to get into the frame and maybe look at some of the parts closer if you really want to. All you need to do is move some of these little clips on the back here, and the whole thing comes apart just in case you wanted to, get into it or change it out or put it into a different frame if you really wanted to. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think this is a really cool piece of art. Not only is it displayed in a awesome way, but it has a description for each and every piece. And if you want to be unique and stand out and have something in your home that nobody's ever really seen before, this is definitely a piece you're going to want to have. I mean, who's going to come over your house and see this and not be like, wow, that is pretty cool? It's definitely a conversation starter. I mean, just look at the logic board here. Look at all the chips that are on there. Yes, I'm a nerd. I love this kind of stuff. And look at the display here. When's the last time you saw a screen that small with a resolution that low, 640 by 960? The last time I've seen it was back in 2010. Now, whether you're going to pick this up for yourself or somebody that loves technology, again, I can pretty much guarantee that they're not going to have anything like this in their collection already, which makes it a great gift idea. And that's pretty much it for the review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.